With it, Bankroll TV, back at it again, man. We're down here at the car wash, man. This junk about to get cracking right now. It's kind of dead right now. It's dead. Give me like 30 more minutes and this junk gonna be popping in like 30 something minutes. What's up with y'all, big dog? Y'all good? My boy got this Benzo right here, man. She nasty. She poking out. She bow-legged. What's up with it, my boy? What's up with it, Playboy? You good? They pull it up right now. They about to pull up right there, man. Shit, my boy got that bitch whamming. Got my boy with that Jimmy thing, man. Look at those pumps. My boy got them pumps in there. My boy got them pumps in there. Yeah, the car started to pull up now. They're starting to pull up now. Yeah, bro, that junk nasty, bro. My boy listen to Shot Glizzy. Yo, we got my boy in the building, man. Cuz that ain't popping. One of my boys at the bikes out here. Oh, bro. Hey, what's that, a red eye? What's that, a red eye, bro? How y'all doing, man? This your boy Bankroll TV with it, man. We live right now on YouTube, bro.
Are you live?
Yes, sir. What it do, homie? What this is right here, a cat?
It's okay, man.
Oh, okay, damn. She still look good, though. Let me grab a picture of her. Let me grab a little around her. Damn, she ratted out, bro. She on fire. That shit hard, bro. We got some more homies. We got some more homies pulling up. Oh, shit. Got a homie pulling up right now in the 350Z. Got my homie in the 350Z right now. What else y'all got out here with us? Damn, we got the we got the, oh, damn, you already know. I love this one right here. This one go crazy. This one too, man. My boy got this Mustang, man. My boy, you don't want to see him at the red light. He gonna pass you. He gonna pass you. Got the homie. Look at my boy. Look at my boy and the grandma. got the C8 over there, man. White, all white. We got the red eye. We got my boys pulled up on a bike gang, man. Bike gang. We got a couple homies out here. Yes, sir. We got a couple homies out here. Well, bro, what you working with, bro? What's up with it, big dog? How you doing, bro? What this is? I said, what's this?
Lexus RC 350.
Oh yeah, a paint job or a wrap?
A wrap, man.
You did everything custom yourself?
Well, I had help, you know what I mean?
So yeah, this right here, my boy Lexus, two-door Lexus right here. That just slick, ain't it? Yes, sir, man, that junk going crazy. Damn, that shit got about additions to the older back.
It's a long.
This right here, the SRT junk, man. The 392, the 392, the SR, the SRT. This right here, the SRT edition right here. This is scat. This is scat pack. Look. Look at that badge, scat. Yeah, man, my boy got the 392, man. My boy got the scat, man. He got that B on you, man. My boy got that scat, yes sir. I don't know, man. He sure bringing a whole lot of torque on this motherfucker right here.
Oh, I like how it has the back. This is usually chrome.
Yeah. And then the rear got a scat. Yeah, look.
The rear dog's blacked out. So they did it all for you already? Yeah.
And then they got the black on black Bumblebee, you see him? What's up with y'all, homeboy? Y'all good? Y'all getting it clean? Bro. It's alright. Let's get a little better. Look, what's up, my boy? Taxi! Damn, my taxi went right past me. I got my boy in the building, man. What's up, bro? Y'all good? Shout y'all Instagram. What's your Insta? Shit popping right now. Well. Got them bikes, got the red eye. Yo, what it do with it, big dog, man? What's up with y'all, bro?
What you out here with the car meet, you feel me? Look at that shit,
yeah,
bro.
well,
Look at the cars popping out.
More cars popping out, my homie said. Yeah, we at the car meet and shit, bro. What's your Instagram and your YouTube, bro? Shout it out.
My shit, redrag.915, bro.
Red Rag.
You can follow me at g.lokes. That's LOWKS.915. We from EP.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
What's up, big dog?
Hey, bro, what's good, bro? We on the fucking, we going around, bro. We seen like motorcycles and shit. But hey, bro, wait. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe to Bankroll TV, bro.
Yes,
NTKYJ,
sir.
you already know what to do.
Yes, sir. You know how we do it, man. It's popping a little bit. Yes, sir. Jaguar.
Left in Dallas for a while and then I came back. And then go.
Yo. What's up with it, my boy? Taxi, man. You came to pick me up, bro?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah? How much you gonna charge me just to take me on the other side of town?
Shit, whatever you want.
Damn. Appreciate you, bro. This shit's sweet. I like it. Put it on my YouTube channel, bro. More cars coming. We got this taxi. Wow, what's up with y'all, homeboy? Y'all good? Y'all washing her up? Oh, bro. That's what I want him to do. That's what I want him to do. I want him to snatch out. Man, I love this junk. This junk's so nasty. We're just shooting this shit, man. Dead. bro. Okay. Y'all check out my boy Bike. My boys now, they out here. They out here, man. My boy got the New Yorker, Chrysler. My boy got the Chrysler out here. Damn, the New Yorker.
And the resonator delete.
Or the Chrysler. Yes, sir. What's up, homie? How y'all doing?
Good, and yourself?
We alright, we coolin', just chillin'. Yes, sir, man. Bankroll, man. Y'all like, share, subscribe, bro. They pulling up. It's starting to get deep. It's starting to get deep. It was dead. They're starting to pull up. About 10 more extra cars. Slept on, man. My boy right here, they gonna kill y'all. Front of the hood. Lolo.
Wait, how the fuck?
What color you want? A Mustang. You want the gray one? You want the white one over there? Or you want this orange one? Or you want the yellow one? Or you want the black one? Or you want the gray one? Oh, you want the black one? My girl said she wants the one. Uh-oh, shit. Look at him. Hey, he getting low. Look at him. Look at him. He got low. Got the Mustang, boys. Oh, shit. Where you trying to go to? We got the Mustang gang in the building, man. Somebody just said that. They said 10 seconds later it's gonna be a gang of Mustangs. Who said that? Rico Petty. Damn. That's why I had to get out the way. Get out the way, yo. Get out the way, yo. Yo, I got my boy Lavish in the building, man. What's up with it, big dog? What you got going?
Man, I'm just cooling with the squad.
Damn, man, you came up on one of these. What's this? It was a red eye. My boy got the cat, man.
That's a superstar.
Man, what? My boy Lavish, he did his thing with this one. I'm not. I wasn't. I ain't. My boy Lavish did his thing. Hell no. We don't never do no shit like that.
Hey, read that bitch. Rev it one time. Rev it one time. We gonna read that hoe. Look how loud it is. That bitch is louder than that.
Old Stingray, man. We got my boys, man. My boys, my gang, they pulled up, man. My boy got the cat right here. My other homie got the Marrow. Then he got the RT.
Where'd you buy your step at?
And my boy got the big boy. Hey Jay, tell them they throwing 30s on shit. He came back, baby. Came back.
I'm not from this earth. I never had a birth. For the love of the birth. I just see dirt.
bro. Damn. What's up, bro? Hold that shit down. Hell no. Spacious, not safe. My boy got them Lamborghini doors. Drop down low with the Lamborghinis on there, man. He got the Lamborghinis on a scat. Boy, y'all got some badass bikes, bro.
Thank you, man.
So damn, I like this yellow one, yellow and black. My favorite color. Yeah, Bankroll gang, man, it's just about over, man. I don't know, Bankroll gang is almost over. Got them Lambo doors on there. But bro, you got them doors on there, don't it? What's up with my boy? How you doing? Hell yeah, you got them doors on there, man. What year this is? 15. Look at my boy, man. He set up nice, man. You got the stars in there too, man. Damn, okay. Hell yeah, bro. I fuck with it, bro. Yes, sir. We got my boy Lavish then. What's up, man? Hell yeah, I'ma holler at you, my boy.